Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some advantages of xenon. Xenon advantages, if you see, xenon is actually an inert compound with minimal CVS function. It has lowest blood solubility. And it does not trigger malignant hyperthermia. It has lowest blood solubility and it does not trigger malignant hyperthermia. Then it is environment friendly and it is non-explosive. So this is about xenon advantages. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.